Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to take the door chrome or any other piece of chrome off your dent side. The bed might be a little different, I haven't done it yet, but this should be fairly typical, but it's for sure works on the door. So I've already got them loose, but I'm going to take this nut off. It's on the back side of the door towards the bed. It's a 3/8. And I'm going to take this nut off here. It's right under the hinge in front. And it's pretty easy. A piece of chrome just pulls out and snaps off. Snap the chrome off. Okay. Grab the new piece of chrome, line up the holes, line the front one up, line the back one up, and then snap the chrome back on, and then put your front bolt on. Put your rear bolt on. Tighten them up. I can find it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, subscribe. Give us a shout. Thanks.